Thinking about transforming your bedroom with gray walls? You're in the right place! In today's video, we're going deep into everything you need to know about decorating a gray bedroom. From picking the perfect shade to choosing the right decor, lighting tips, and even a few mistakes to avoid. The goal is to help you create a space that feels cozy, stylish, and totally you. So, if you know someone redecorating their bedroom, feel free to share this video with them. I bet they'll find these tips super helpful. Gray has really become a superstar in bedroom design, and honestly, it's easy to see why. It's neutral and timeless, but never boring. Depending on the undertones you choose, gray can feel warm and inviting, or cool and crisp. Plus, it's the kind of color that makes your decor pop, without stealing the show. Whether your vibe is minimalist, farmhouse, or full-on glam, gray walls are like a blank canvas that lets you bring your style to life. And that's what makes it so perfect. But let's get real, gray isn't a magic fix for every room. If you don't choose the right undertone or balance it with the right decor, it can feel flat, dull, or even a bit cold. The secret to making gray walls look amazing is to balance. Warm lighting, cozy textures, and a few well-chosen accent colors to keep things from feeling too monotone. Choosing the right shade of gray can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. If you want your bedroom to feel bright and airy, go for light grays like Classic Gray or Stonington Gray by Benjamin Moore. These shades reflect light beautifully and can make smaller bedrooms feel more spacious. If you're a fan of a cozy and dramatic vibe, medium or dark grays like Kendall Charcoal or Stormy Sky are perfect. And here's a little pro tip. Always test a few samples on your walls and see how they look throughout the day. Natural and artificial lighting can completely transform a shade of gray, so a test run is worth it. Lighting can really change how gray walls look. Warm lighting, like soft white or yellow-toned bulbs, makes cool grays feel cozy and inviting. On the other hand, cooler lighting can bring out the blue or green hints in gray, making your room feel fresh and modern. The trick is to use a mix of both. For example, warm-toned bedside lamps create a relaxing vibe at night, while natural daylight shows off gray's true color during the day. And don't forget the little touches, like LED strip lights, recessed lighting, or even a pretty chandelier. They can add just the right amount of warmth and make your space feel even more welcoming. Picking the perfect accent colors for your gray bedroom can completely change its vibe. If you're looking for a calming and nature-inspired feel, try pairing gray walls with sage green, soft blues, or lavender. These colors add just enough freshness without making the room feel too busy. If you want to go for a bolder look, consider accents in mustard yellow, coral, or blush pink. These shades add warmth and personality, making gray walls feel less neutral and more inviting. For a touch of elegance, metallics work beautifully with gray. Small details like a bronze picture frame, ceramic lamps in soft blues, or gold rose mirrors can add a bit of glam without overwhelming the space. The secret is to keep things balanced. Just choose one or two accent colors and use them in small ways, like with pillows, rugs, or a piece of art. This helps your room feel pulled together and stylish. Dark gray walls can create a space that's both cozy and sophisticated. But let's be honest, no one wants their bedroom to feel like a cave. The key is balance. Adding lighter accents, like white bedding and mirrors to bounce light around, can brighten things up. And let's not forget about texture. Knit blankets, velvet pillows, and upholstered headboard are your best friends for adding depth and warmth, making the room feel inviting rather than gloomy. With the right balance of textures and accents, dark gray walls can transform your room into a cozy haven you'll never want to leave. With the main pieces in place, it's the finishing touches that can really elevate your gray bedroom. Curtains can completely change how your gray bedroom looks. For light gray walls, sheer white or light gray curtains can keep things bright and airy. Dark gray walls pair beautifully with deep navy or even emerald green curtains for a more dramatic effect. Layering curtains with a sheer panel underneath a heavier drape adds depth and a bit of luxury. To turn a simple bedroom into a cozy retreat, it's all about the right finishing touches. It's time to talk about rugs. They can really change the vibe of a gray bedroom. If you're going for a warm and cozy feel, a cream or beige rug is a great choice. It softens the space without being too bold. For a bit of color, a navy blue rug can add depth and a calming vibe that pairs perfectly with gray walls. But if you're looking to brighten things up, a mustard yellow rug can bring a fun pop of color. The right rug can make your gray bedroom feel complete and extra inviting. If you're not into painting walls or just want an easier way to refresh your space, gray wallpaper could be the perfect solution. Textured gray wallpapers like grass cloth or linen bring depth without overwhelming the room. For a bit of glam, metallic gray wallpapers with silver or gold accents can create a luxe, hotel-like vibe. Even subtle patterns like herringbone or floral can make a gray bedroom look more layered and interesting. Rugs can do a lot, but if you're thinking about something more permanent, the right flooring can really change things up. Dark hardwood floors are a great choice if you want to add contrast and make your gray walls stand out. They add warmth and a bit of elegance. For a more modern look, gray-washed wood floors with visible grain can add texture without making the room feel too busy. Just make sure that if your walls are a cool-toned gray, you pick a cool tone for the flooring too. Also, choosing a shade of gray for the floors that's different from your walls can help avoid a dull, monotone look. And if gray floors aren't your style, don't worry. Any neutral color like light oak, beige, or soft taupe can work well with gray walls. Sure, changing the floors is a bigger project, but the way it can elevate your gray bedroom might just make it worth the effort. So, with the right shades of gray and a few thoughtful details, your bedroom can feel both stylish and cozy. If you're looking for more color inspiration, be sure to check out our video on 9 trendy kitchen cabinet colors. It might just spark some new ideas for the rest of your home.